Hello there, and welcome back to another video of World AI News. In late 2022, ChatGPT made its debut as a free-to-use AI chatbot, heralding itself as a significant advancement in technology. Since then, it's become an indispensable part of various businesses, from composing poems and essays to handling customer services. ChatGPT has generated significant excitement with its no-cost GPT 3.5 version. OpenAI later introduced a more advanced iteration, GPT-4. Notably, GPT-4 was seamlessly integrated with Microsoft's Windows OS and Edge web browser, increasing accessibility to a broader audience. Now, all eyes are on the horizon, anticipating the launch of ChatGPT-5. When will this next major release be unveiled, and what incredible features can we expect? Stay tuned until the end to uncover all the details. While chatbots have been in existence for some time, their capabilities were often limited, leading to consumer dissatisfaction. Early iterations of chatbots struggled with context comprehension, appropriate responses, and adapting to various user inputs. However, significant advancements have occurred, primarily driven by the development of deep learning and natural language processing (NLP) techniques. OpenAI's ChatGPT represents a substantial leap forward in chatbot technology. It's the outcome of extensive research and development, leveraging advanced algorithms and extensive training data. ChatGPT exhibits an impressive capacity for language understanding and the ability to generate human-like responses, thanks to its training on a vast and diverse corpus of internet text. The key advantage of ChatGPT lies in its natural language comprehension. It can grasp complex questions, discern context, and provide contextually relevant and coherent responses. By understanding subtleties and inferring meaningful interactions, ChatGPT offers an immersive conversational experience that was previously attainable only through human-to-human interactions. However, the next iteration of this popular AI chatbot is highly anticipated, particularly after the success of GPT-4. People are now looking forward to GPT-5 and how it will advance the capabilities of AI chatbots, especially in a competitive landscape where it faces formidable rivals like Google and Amazon. So, what's in store for ChatGPT-5? Let's take a sneak peek at some anticipated new features. Number 1. Possibility of understanding audio-video. One of ChatGPT's standout features was its foray into multimodal capabilities, albeit with some theoretical nuances. It could grapple with images and graphs to a certain extent. However, with ChatGPT on the horizon, the logical expectation is that OpenAI will take it up a notch by enhancing its ability to comprehend audio and video content. This potential development could be a game-changer for content creators in search of an intelligent assistant capable of streamlining tasks like video timeline management and selecting the perfect background scores. Number 2. Better knowledge base. ChatGPT might come equipped with an even more robust, knowledgeable database. This upgrade would empower it to provide more accurate and insightful responses to complex queries. Users could anticipate receiving correct answers on a wide range of topics, including intricate scientific theories and lesser-known subjects. This expanded knowledge base could transform ChatGPT-5 into an even more valuable resource for users seeking in-depth information. It's like having a digital encyclopedia at your fingertips, ready to provide insights and knowledge on a multitude of subjects. Number 3. AGI. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, holds the potential to revolutionize our daily lives, making AI an indispensable part of our everyday routines. Picture this. With AGI, you can simply inform your chatbot that you plan to bake a pizza tonight, and it takes care of the rest. It not only compiles a shopping list for the recipe, taking into account your dietary restrictions, but it also arranges for the ingredients to be delivered to your doorstep even before you return home from work. Moreover, AGI could step in as your trusty babysitter, keeping a watchful eye on your toddler while you're away. It could regulate the room temperature for your baby and ensure that surveillance cameras are positioned to provide you with real-time updates. While the likelihood of AGI being incorporated into GPT-5 might be a long shot, the prospect of such integration could skyrocket ChatGPT's popularity. Imagine having a personal assistant capable of handling all the mundane tasks life throws at you. Number 4. A more human AI. There's also the promise of a more human AI in GPT-5. OpenAI's co-founder, Sam Altman, envisions a chatbot that minimizes errors and biases, providing responses that are not only more accurate but also attuned to the nuances of human language, including detecting sarcasm and irony. This upgrade could make interactions with ChatGPT even more engaging and user-friendly. Number 5. Learning and development. In education, GPT-5 has the capacity to revolutionize learning platforms by ushering in advanced language learning tools. It could introduce virtual assistants equipped to address student queries with natural and empathetic responses, thereby reshaping language skills, assessment tools, and enhancing the learning experience. Number 6. Revolutionizing healthcare. In the healthcare sector, GPT-5's impact could be profound. It has the potential to enhance the understanding and interpretation of medical texts, assisting healthcare professionals in delivering more precise and personalized responses. This, in turn, could elevate the standard of patient care, ultimately benefiting both patients and medical practitioners. Number 7. Transforming customer service. Customer service is another area poised for transformation through GPT-5. The chatbot's ability to provide smoother and more coherent responses could usher in a new era of customer service interactions. With chatbots capable of engaging customers in a sophisticated and empathetic manner, businesses can provide more satisfying and efficient support to their clients. While we all eagerly await the grand entrance of GPT-5, ChatGPT has been busy sprucing up its act. OpenAI has recently unleashed a slew of impressive features that are already changing the way we interact with AI. The headliner? Voice and image recognition. Yeah, you heard that correctly. ChatGPT can now see and hear. But there's a catch. These capabilities are currently the exclusive domain of the mobile app. Picture this, you can snap photos of iconic landmarks, your fridge's perplexing content, or even that mind-boggling work-related graph you've been staring at, and then have a live conversation with your AI assistant about it. For voice interactions, all you need to do is venture into the app settings and opt into voice conversations under New Features. When it comes to handling images, simply tap the photo button on the app to upload your visual queries. Here's the kicker, these features are initially reserved for Plus and Enterprise users, so if you want the full enchilada, a subscription is your golden ticket. But it's not all fun and games. OpenAI is taking safety seriously by implementing various measures to minimize the risks associated with these voice and image capabilities, especially concerning potential misuse and privacy concerns. So, exciting times are ahead, but not without a pinch of caution. And to answer the burning question on everyone's minds, when can we expect ChatGPT-5 to make its grand entrance? While OpenAI has been a bit cryptic about the specifics, the rumor mill has been hard at work. Credible sources like Digital Trends and Windows Central are whispering about a potential release in December 2023. The implications of ChatGPT's 5 arrival are nothing short of monumental. It's like witnessing a new chapter in AI, where the model aspires to be more than the sum of its parts, delivering responses that are not just coherent, but profoundly contextually relevant. There have also been rumors that Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has indicated that his teams are not currently working on GPT-5 due to the unavailability of NVIDIA GPUs, a crucial computer component for running and training these language models. Moreover, the expenses involved in maintaining these AI chatbots are nothing to scoff at. Training these chatbots is a costly affair, with OpenAI shelling out a hefty $700,000 per day just to keep ChatGPT up and running. The training costs are only adding to this already staggering figure. To put things into perspective, recent estimates suggest that OpenAI's daily financial losses are snowballing to a point where they might face bankruptcy by the end of 2024. But the expenditures don't stop at the software alone. OpenAI also requires access to high-end GPUs for the training processes, and if you're familiar with the world of computing, you know that GPUs are far from budget-friendly. So where does OpenAI stand with this chatbot today? We're witnessing rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, and these AI chatbots are grabbing the spotlight. The world is gradually embracing applications based on generative language models, and it's not just OpenAI in the game. Every software firm worth its salt is working on its own large language model, aiming to make computers mimic human language and deliver human-like responses to queries. Google's Bard, for instance, is a free-to-use AI chatbot drawing from Google's vast search engine data, and in many instances, it's proven to be just as effective as ChatGPT. Meanwhile, Microsoft's Bing Chat is also free to use and relies on the latest GPT-4 model for its operations. In conclusion, ChatGPT-5 is poised to be a cutting-edge language model that blurs the lines between human and machine communication. With its extensive general knowledge and enhanced problem-solving capabilities, the GPT-5 model is set to tackle complex issues with remarkable accuracy. If you're as excited about the future of AI as we are, don't forget to drop a comment below. Want to stay updated? Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, while you're here, hit that like button and turn on notifications. Thank you for joining us on this exciting tech journey. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing updates.